पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद काण्व शाखीय भाष्य पेज नंबर 319 टीका we are going to see. So the prakaranam is this Grahi who is avidwan, he is a bhogya for devata, rishi, pitru, manushya and apipilika sarvasya. All of them, they consider he is our bhogya, means we will get something from him for our sustenance. Further now, yathokta homadi dev to grahino vidyaya pratibandha sambhavat tad upakaritva vyavrittirityash ashankya aha. Yathokta homadibihi, this homa etc., homa and yaga, yajate, two things were given, yajate and juhoti. So all of them devadin prati upakurvatah grihina. This grihi who is doing upakara to devatas, grihinaha upakurvatah vidya pratibandha sambhavat. Vidya pratibandha sambhavat. Vidya pratibandha sambhavat. Vidya pratibandha sambhavat means if this grahi will get Brahma Vidya, then there will be pratibandha in our yajna agadi. In this way you have to understand. Because he is right now doing everything for Devata, Pitru, everything. In order to gain Brahma Vidya, either for Vidvat sannyasa he will get, then he will stop karma, or for Vividisha sannyasa he will stop karma, then he will pursue jnanam. So in either case, he will say sannyastamaya, sannyastamaya. He will drop everything. So then for that grahi who is avidwan, if he gets vidya, there is pratibandha in all his upakara. Pratibandha sambhavat. Tad upakaritva vyavritti iti ashankya. And then his upakaritva vyavritti will happen. He will stop doing everything. Iti ashankya yasmat. Ayam etani karmani kurvan in bhashya. Yasmad ayam etani karmani kurvan upakaroti devadibhyas tasmat yatha havai loke swaya lokaya swasmai dehaya arishtim. ऊपर वाला भाष्य No, everything was over. Tena tesham lokaha. Up to that, bhashya was done. Yasmadayam etani karmani kurvan upakaroti devadibhyas tasmad yatha havai loke swaya lokaya swasmai dehaya arishtim avinasham swatva bhava aprachutim ichet. स्वत्व भाव प्रच्युति भयात. Let us see this much first. यस्मात् अयम अयम गृही. दिस गृहस्थ एतानि कर्माणि कुर्वन् उपकरोति देवादिभ्यः. By doing all these karma for devata, pitri, rishi, etc., he does upakara for them, upakaroti. Tasmat yatha havai loke. Before that, tika. पूर्वेषाम अथ शब्दानाम अभिप्रेतम अर्थम अनुद्य समनंतर वाक्यम अवतार्य तदर्थम आह. पूर्वेषाम अथ शब्दानाम अभिप्रेतम अर्थम अनुद्य. So in the mantra, atha shabda which had come earlier, its meaning is given. Having said that, anudya. Anudya, what is the dhatu?
Nud.
No. Anudya. Anu.
Vach.
Vach dhatu. Anu upasarga purvak. Anudya. Means anuvachanam kritva. Anudya. Samanantar vakyam avatarya. Samanantar means immediate next vakya, next sentence of the mantra. Avatarya tadarthamaha tasmat. Tasmat yatha havai loke. In the mantra on that page 319, see the first send line. Yatha havai swaya lokaya. That part. Yatha havai loke swaya lokaya swasmai dehaya arishtim. So swaya lokaya means swasya deha. If there is a person who is ajnani and feels my deha should continue, swasmai dehaya arishtim avinasham swatva bhava aprachyutim ichet. So he will expect that may I continue to exist, and may there be no vinasha for me. The same thing he will expect for this grihi, because that grihi is doing upakara for all the other beings. Swatva bhava aprachyutim ichet. Swatva bhava pracyuti bhayat. Swatva bhava pracyuti bhayat. Poshana rakshanadibihi sarvatah paripalayet. So, swatva bhava pracyuti means mrityu. My existence will cease. Out of that fear, he will do everything for poshana, rakshana, etc. Poshana, rakshana adibhi sarvatah paripalayet. Evam ha, evam vide. So evam with, who is evam with here? This grihi. What does he know? Evam vetiti evam with. Who? What does he know? He knows that I have obligations to Rishi, Pitru, Devatas, etc. And therefore he actually does his duty. So there are three types of people. Jnani, who doesn't need to do anything. Ajnani, who doesn't want to accept that he has his duties and he is only living aghayurindriyaramo moghah parthasa jivati. Right? And then this is the one who is this, one who is evam with mogham parthasa jivati. Aghayurindriyaramo mogham parthasa. अनेन प्रकारेण मया अवश्यम ऋणिवत् प्रतिकर्तव्यम इति एवं आत्मानं परिकल्पितवते. परिकल्पितवते, व्हाट इज विभक्ति? व्हाट इज द प्रातिपदिका? Anybody online?
Parikalpitavan.
Parikalpitavat. Prathama will be parikalpitavan. Chaturthi parikalpitavate. Parikalpitavate evam vide. So the one who has this parikalpana. Parikalpana means this jnanam. What kind of jnanam? That maya avashyam pratikartavyam. I have to do kartavya towards devata, rishi, pitra, other people. How? Rinivat. Like somebody who is indebted. I am also indebted to them. Parikalpitavate. सर्वाणि भूतानि देवादीनि यथोक्तानि अरिष्टिम अविनाशम इच्छन्ति. Towards that person, सर्वाणि भूतानि, देवता आदिनि, देवता पितृ मनुष्य, अरिष्टिम अविनाशम इच्छन्ति. They say, may he not die, may he not cease to exist. इच्छन्ति. स्वत्व अप्रच्युत्यै सर्वतः संरक्षन्ति. Swatva aprachyutyai, for the sake of aprachyuti. Sarvataha samrakshanti, they protect this from every side, in every way. Samrakshanti. Tika, Tippani, Swadehavat iti shesha. Like how Ajnani Purusha protects his body, like that they will protect this Grahi. भाष्य कुटुंबिन इव पशून्स तस्मादेषां तन्न प्रियम इति उक्तम. कुटुंबिनः इव पशून्, like these kutumbis, a grahasthi, how they protect their pashu, like that these devatas, pitrus, they will protect this grahastha. How they will protect pashu means they will feed them properly, they will bathe them at night, they will keep them inside if required. If Vyagra adi bhaya is there, something will come. So they will protect that pashu. Why? Because that pashu gives them everything. Anna, pana, whatever, milk they give, etc. Or they take them else. After some time, that pashu, they will not take care of that as much. Tasmat esham tanna priyam iti uktam. Tasmat, therefore, esham devadinam tanna priyam. What is na priyam? Huh?
They don't want this grihastha to have knowledge.
Grihastha having knowledge.
Tanna priyam, that tan tat grihi brahma vidya grahanam karishyati. That they don't want. Na priyam. They don't want that he should study Brahma Vidya. Tika. On previous page. Devadinam karmadhikarini kartritvadi paripalanam eva parirakshanam iti vivakshitva purvoktam smarayati. Devadinam karmadhikarini kartritvadi paripalanam eva parirakshanam. Karmadhikarini. Karmadhikarini, the one who is karma adhikari of that person. Kartritvadi paripalanam eva parirakshanam. That he continues to do karma, he continues to remain karta. The one who is karma adhikari, his paripalanam eva parirakshanam. This alone we should protect. So all this is said. Further in Tika, यथोक्तम कर्म कुर्वन् यद्यपि देवादीन प्रत्युपकरोति. तथापि न तत् कर्तृत्वम् आवश्यकं मानाभावात् इति आशंक्याः. Even if he does यथोक्तम कर्म कुर्वन् यद्यपि देवादीन प्रत्युपकरोति, even though he does pratyupakara to devatas, तथापि न tat kartrutvam avashyakam, it is not necessary that he should keep doing all these, because there is no pramanam, mana bhavat, pramana bhavat iti ashankyaha tadva. एतत् तद एतत् यथोक्तानां कर्मणां ऋणवत् अवश्य कर्तव्यत्वं पंच महायज्ञ प्रकरणे विदितम् कर्तव्यतया मीमांसितं विचारितं च अवदान प्रकरणे. तद्वा एतत्, एतत् मीन्स तत् एतत्, यथोक्तानां कर्मणां, all the karmas which are prescribed for this grahastha, ऋणवत् अवश्य कर्तव्यत्वम, they have to do, it is like their obligation. So they are called obligatory duties, nitya karma, you have to do. But that performance of karma for this ajnani, if he does with nishkama bhava, it will purify him. It is for his chitta shuddhi. So he should not think that nobody else is doing, I will also not do any karma. Nobody else is doing because they are in this third category. He should do because he understands, I want to get in the first category. I want to become the jnani. So I will do it. Then when I have enough vairagya, then I will leave everything and I will pursue Brahma Vidya in this way. Because person who doesn't have sannyasastu mahabaho dukkham aptum ayogatah. So if I am not yogya and I drop everything, then I will suffer and I will make others also suffer. So I have to be prepared to drop everything and understand my Brahmatva. So he will say, Rinavat, like it is a Rina for me. Avashya Kartavyatvam. Where is it given? Pancha Mahayajna Prakarane. In Pancha Mahayajna Prakarane, Viditam. In Smriti. Kartavyataya Mimansitam Vicharitam Cha. This will be explained later. Let us see further now in Tika. What are the Pancha Mahayajnaha? Bhuta, see they are given in Tika. Bhuta Yajnyo, Manushya Yajnaha, Pitru Yajnyo, Deva Yajnyo, Brahma Yajnyascha. Iti evam Pancha Mahayajnaha. These are the 5 Mahayajna. And they have given Tippani for all. Bhuta Balihi, Atithya Satkara, Shraddhadi, Vaishwadeva Balihi, and Swadhyaya Adhyanam. 5 Tippanis are there on each of them. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Bhuta Yajna means you have to make some sacrifice for Bhuta, give some food to them. Manushya Yajna, Atithya, when somebody comes, you greet them, sit them, make them sit, give them food, etc. Pitru Yajna, Deva Yajna, Brahma Yajna. You Pitru Yajna, Shraddhadi, Vaishwadeva Bali. Brahma Yajna means they should do Veda Adhyanam, Adhyapanam, etc. These are the Pancha Mahayajna. Now somebody says, okay, so it is given in some Smartha Grantha, Smriti. Just because it is given doesn't mean we have to do. See, nanu, shrutam api vicharam vina na anushteyam. Even if it is given, without thinking, we should not go on doing anything. Why? He gives example. Nahi rudra rodanadi shrutam iti eva anushtiyate. In Shruti, in Veda, it is given, so arodit, tad rudrasya rudratvam. So that Agni cried and it became Rudra. So just because that prasanga is given, what should we do? We don't have to go and sit near Agni and do some Rodanam. It is given, we don't have to do anything. So like that, Mahayagnyas are given, we don't have to do anything. There are good Purvapakshas who think like this. Tatraha, no, Mimansitam. On this, Mimansa is done. Kartavyataya Mimansitam, Vicharitam. So enough thinking has been done. Where? Avadana Prakarane. In the Avadana Prakarana. Tika. Tad etat avadayate. यद यजते स यदग्नौ जुहोति इत्यादि अवदान प्रकरणम. दिस इज द अवदान प्रकरणम. सो अवदानम मीन्स दो अवखंडने धातु इज देयर. अवखंडने मीन्स टू डू विभाग. दो अवखंडने, दिस इज द धातु. सो ल्यूट प्रत्यय इज देयर, अवदानम. So when you distribute, so Indra will get this, Prajapati, Vayu, Agni, etc. There, this Mimansa is done. Most of the time, let's say we don't study those Shastra, we don't do that Mimansa, but Trividha Bhavati Shraddha Dehinam Sa Swabhavaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Cheti Tamshu. So whatever my Shraddha is, accordingly whatever I do, I will get phalam. Without having any sakama bhava, if I do, I will get chitta shuddhi. Because what is important is some tyaga bhava. I have to let go. Finally, I have to let go of my ahankara. It will begin with some dravya tyaga, some other tyaga. And when I am under Acharya Anushasanam, so then I have to let go of my, whatever I say, that alone should happen, this way, that way. So I am told, do this. Okay. This one word answer. Okay, I will do. So when this kind of thing starts coming, then only that tyaga bhavana, because Bhagavan says, yat karoshi, yad ashnasi, yad juhasi. Start from there. Yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpana. Start giving it. But those external, so first is patram pushpam, you give that much and be happy. You say that is easiest, Bhagavan. I will say give you patra, pushpa, everything. Then he says, no, not only that. Karoshi, Ashnasi, everything you have to give. Because finally he wants our aham. So first, idam we give. And we think, itne se hi kaam chal jayega, so I am so happy, I will get Bhagavan out of this patram pushpa. Bhagavan, his bargain is different. He is going to say everything, including you. Until then, nothing will come. Means I will give you blessings. Stay far. Bas. So the whole idea we should understand that what is required is when I have to let go of aham, then only aham brahmasmi will come. My ahankara is strong. Aham brahmasmi. That ahankara is not Brahma. So all this is preparation for that. So if that happens, then everything has purpose. Otherwise, I do everything, but the main objective I am missing. Rinam hava, tika. Rinam hava. Rinam means rini or rinavan, you should understand. That rina shabda is actually rinavan, iti yavat. ऋणवान हवाव जायते जायमानो यो अस्ति इत्यादिना अर्थवादेन इति शेष. The one who is ऋणवान jayate, when he is existing, then ऋणवादेन अस्ति, अर्थवादेन अस्ति. यो अस्ति इत्यादिना अर्थवादेन. अर्थवादेन means for that in the mantra it is not elaborated. What is given is the one who has Rina, then he exists for this. As an Arthavada, it is given. That is his prasansa. One more mantra is there. Before that, this what was said earlier about Pashu. He is Devanam Pashuhu. So, like how they said, Devatas, for them it is Apriyam, Tanna Priyam, that he pursues Brahma Vidya, etc., because they will lose him. So, what is this Pashu Buddhi? Nobody wants to be a Pashu. If we think, then we will analyze. So, Pashu, nobody wants to be. What is meant by Pashu is a person who doesn't want to think, or a person. See, what is the objective of Vedanta? Objective of Vedanta is I will lean on myself, Brahma. I will not need any other support. Any other support means external things like my punya or devata. They will bless and everything will be happy. Okay, the pitras will bless and everything will be okay. Others will pray for me and everything will be okay. Because I am Brahma, therefore everything is okay. When you have this, then you are not Paratantra, you are not Adhina, you are Swatantra. So Brahma Jnanam gradually wants you to come to this through this Brahma Jnana Prakriya. That's why they let you drop karma. You don't have to do karma because now you are going to get another support. Earlier, I was taking support from the blessings from Devatas. Now, I am okay. I can lean on Brahma Jnana. Or when I had one Acharya, the Veda Acharya, now I have Brahma Vidya Acharya. That Brahma Vidya Acharya will say, lean on Brahma Jnana. Means whenever you need support, try to understand because I am Brahma. Therefore, there should not be Bhaya. In the Ishkarma Siddhi, same prakarana is going to come today. That I should not have this Bhaya, then what will happen to me? Why? Because when you hear Brahma Jnana, those who study only Tattva Bodha and Bhaja Govindam, they may not have this much Brahma Jnana. But those who study Brahma Vidya for few years, continuously, systematically, thoroughly, then they have to learn to derive support from this wisdom. I am Brahma. Nothing is going to happen. That doesn't mean I have abhimana and I do insult to anybody, devatas, pitris, anyone, or other Mahabhuta. But my strength comes from this knowledge. Only then it is said you can drop all these karma, etc. So that connection also you have to keep. Then Pashutva is not there. Until then, Pashutva will be there. वाक्यांतरम आदाय व्याख्यातुम पातनिकाम करोति. Vakyantram, another mantra, adaya. So Tikakar continuously, if you see in all mantra beginning, he'll just say Vakyantaram adaya, Vyakyatam. Patanika means introduction. Patanikam karoti. So mantra is going to start, but before that, Bhashakar introduces certain things. Atmai Veda Magra Asit. Atma eva idam agra asit. Brahma Vidwans Chet Tasmat Pashu Bhavat Kartavyata Bandhana Rupat Pratimuchyate. See, if he is a Brahma Vidwan, one Shabda. In that book, Brahma Vidwan is together.
No.
Okay, make one word. A Brahma Vidwan is one, not Brahma Vidwan. Samasa will be the Vigraha. Brahmanaha Vidwan, Brahma Vidwan. Knower of Brahma. So if he is a Brahma Vidwan Chet, Tasmat Pashu Bhavat Muchyate, then he will become free from Pashu Bhava. How he will become free? Only this way. Once I gain Jnanam. Otherwise, Pashu Bhava is there. Kartavyata Bandhana Rupat. Pashu Bhava is nothing but Kartavyata Bandhana Rupa Pashu Bhavat Pratimuchyate. Kenayam Karitah, who has created this Pashu Bhava? कर्म बंधन अधिकारे अवश इव प्रवर्तते न पुनस्तद विमोक्षण उपाये विद्याधिकार इति. विद्याधिकारस सॉरी कर्म बंधन अधिकारे अवश इव प्रवर्तते. Nobody has told him you are karta bhokta. Because he thinks he is karta bhokta, Vedas they know that he is not Uttam Adhikari. If he is not Uttam Adhikari, somehow he has to be gradually taken to Uttama Ashrama, Uttama Adhikara. Ashramas Trividaha, Hina Madhyama, Utkrishta Drishtaya, Upasanopadishteyam, Tadartha Anukampaya. It is Anukampa of Veda that if we leave this person, he will be lost in this world. He will just remain bhogi. So then Vedas say, no, we have to gradually take him. So they say, we'll give you some karma, we'll give you upasana, we'll tell you what is Nishkama Bhava, everything. Avasha iva pravartate. That's why it is given avashaha. Not that because Vedas have said that's why he is doing. He is helpless. He has to do something. So then Vedas say, okay, anyway you are going to do something, we'll give you something. So we should be grateful to Vedas that they have shown us the path. Na punastad vimokshana upaye vidya adhikare iti. So avashaha he gets engaged in karma bandhana. Avashaha he doesn't get into moksha upaya vidya adhikara. It doesn't come. Tika. Karmaiva bandhanam tatra adhikaro anushtanam tasmin iti yavat. Samasa vigraha is done. Karma bandhana adhikare. Karma eva bandhanam. Karma dharaya. Karma itself is bandhanam. Tatra adhikara means anushtanam. Karma anushtanam. In that tasmin avashaha iva pravartate. Vidyadhikarastu avidyadhikaraha tad upaye shravanadau pravritti. And vidyadhikara is its upaya, Vedanta Shravanadi. In that he doesn't get engaged. Yathokta adhikarino devadibhi rakshanam pravritti marge niyamena pravartakam iti shankate. Yathokta adhikarino devadibhi rakshanam pravritti marge niyamena pravartakam. Somebody says, if somebody who is such adhikari, karma adhikari, then he is protected by devatas, devata, pitru, manushya, etc. by engaging in pravritti marga. This should be a niyama. This should be the rule. Niyamena pravartakam iti shankate. Nanu bhashya. Uktam deva rakshanti iti badham. Uktam angikaroti. Yes, devas will protect you. Tarhi प्रवर्तकांतरम न वक्तव्यम तत्र. The Purvapakshi's idea is this. He says, you have two options, karma adhikara, vidya adhikara, right? Karma adhikari is Ajnani, who will be protected by devatas when he does all the rituals, etc. Why do you need option two? Devatas are protecting in pravritti marga. Deva nanu uktam deva rakshanti badam. Then second in tika tarhi pravartakantaram na vaktavyam. This another pravartaka vidya, why it is required? One is enough. तत्राह कर्माधिकार स्वगोचर आरूढ़ान एव तेपि रक्षन्ति. कर्म अधिकार स्वगोचर आरूढ़ान. So those who are engaged in karma adhikara, Swagochara means that karma adhikari will become swasya vishaya. That person will become the sevaka. Swagochara arudhan eva tepi rakshanti. They will protect. They will not protect everybody. They will protect only those who are doing the karmas. Devatas, they are also very clear. Why waste time for people who don't do other things? Means those who don't do karma, etc. So those who come, यो यो याम याम तनुम भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुम इच्छति तस्य तस्याचलाम श्रद्धाम तामेव विदधामि. Bhagavan has says. So आरूढ़ान एव ते अपि रक्षन्ति. टीका कर्मसु अधिकारेण स्वगोचरत्वं प्राप्तानेव देवादयो अपि रक्षन्ति. न सर्वाश्रम साधारणं ब्रह्मचारिणम्. All brahmachari etc. they will not protect in any ashram. अतो अस्य कर्म मार्गे प्रवृत्तौ देवादि रक्षणस्य अहेतुत्वात्. Therefore, for someone who is ajnani, for that person devadi rakshana is not the hetu, that he will be protected. अहेतुत्वात् ब्रह्मचारिणो निवृत्तिम त्यक्त्वा प्रवृत्ति पक्षपाते कारणम वाच्यम इत्यर्थः. Therefore, for that brahmachari, if he doesn't do anything and he is just sitting like that, nivritti, then he should give up and he should do pravritti. Then he will be protected. मनुष्य मात्रम कर्मणि एव ते बलात् प्रवर्तयन्ति. प्रवर्त रेफ इज मिसिंग. प्रवर्तयन्ति तेषाम अचिन्त्य शक्तित्वात् इति आशंक्याः. मनुष्य मात्रम, every मनुष्य कर्मणि एव ते बलात् प्रवर्तयन्ति. They will engage devatas. Why? Because they have achintya shakti इति आशंक्याः. अन्यथा अकृत अभ्यागम कृत नाश प्रसंगात्. Anyatha, what will happen? Akrita abhyagama, that this manushya, if all of them are protected by devatas, if they have not done any karma, they will get the phalam. And those who do the karma, they may not get the phalam. So, for example, let's say two people are competing for something. One person does offering to devatas, etc. And there is another who is virodhi of this first one, opposite of this, who doesn't do anything to devata. Now you tell devatas you have to bless both. They will say, I will not do anything to this person. I will do for this person. It's natural. Otherwise, he has not done anything and he will get the result. And this fellow who has done everything, but he may be deprived. So that is given here. Akrita abhyagama. Akritasya abhyagama. What you have not done, for that you will get the phalam. And kritasya karmanaha nasha prasangat. You have done something, but you will not get the result. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।